Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmummy.com, and today I'm going to show you how to paint and install interior doors. If you've been following along on Mom's Lake House project, you'll know that we are finally nearing the finish line. We're doing all the finishes in their lake cottage, and slowly things are coming together, and I can't wait to reveal more rooms to you. Last week I revealed the laundry room to you. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to see that space. And if you're new to my channel, I will also leave a link to the playlist on how we are building my parents' lake house. They are working on lots of the finishing themselves right now, and recently they've installed a lot of their own interior doors. These are gorgeous doors that we worked with masonite for, and they are just a really beautiful farmhouse kind of craftsman style. They're solid core doors. We're so happy with the quality, and the look definitely suits my parents' house. Let me share with you how to paint and install interior doors. My mom is using the Wagner Flexio 590 sprayer, which is a really great spray gun for the price. It takes lots of practice to get the feel, but it's definitely worth the finish you can achieve if you use a spray gun to spray on paint onto your doors. The paint can be thinned about 15% with water, and another important thing to remember is you can keep the nozzle clean with a toothbrush and water and cover it with a wet cloth when you're not using it to keep it from getting clogged. Have rags handy to clean up any drips and spills and to clean the nozzle. First of all, do a test spray on some cardboard, and then when you're ready to paint the doors, start the air on the paint gun before you start the paint, and then start the paint flow. Start off of the door surface and then do even strokes of paint back and forth. Overlap your strokes by about 1/3 to 1/2 to get even paint coverage. A few thin coats is better than one thick one to achieve the best finish. If you make any mistakes like drips or splatters, you can either let the paint coat dry, sand it down and recoat, or immediately wipe down the object with a cloth and water and recoat. I think the finish that you can achieve on doors is amazing with a spray gun, and I think my mom did a fabulous job of painting her doors. For the door installation, we're using a pre-hung door from Masonite, which is really easy to install because the door frame is attached. Again, we really love these doors from Masonite. I'll leave a link to them in the description box below, and we partnered with Masonite on these doors, the interior and the exterior doors in Mom's Lake House. So first of all, slide the door into the opening. The door frame is smaller than the opening. To ensure the door is level and will swing well, use wood shims to straighten the door jamb. Long shims are definitely easier to work with, and my dad used these for this project. Keep placing the shims until the head jamb is level. You can keep checking how the door opens and closes as you put the shims in place, just like my dad is doing here. When the jamb is level, secure the door frame in place with a finishing nail gun. You can use a piece of trim to ensure the door frame is flush with the drywall. When you're done, simply trim the shims.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you found this information helpful if you are looking into doing this DIY yourself. Let me know in the comments below if this is a project that you would want to try to do, and I can't wait to share with you more on my parents' lake house. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!